Ever felt like your project data is scattered across many tools and still somehow invisible to your executives? Or the other way around, you don't have access to any project management tool and you're manually reporting progress to your leadership? Let's fix that with AI generated visuals in minutes, not in days. This is Mohammed Nabtiti, a certified project management professional, risk management professional, and a PMI by AI professional. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to generate your timeline tracking diagrams. You always want to use project management visuals to stay on top of your project performance rather than staying in the dark. The setup you need for your AI prompt is the following. You need to start by defining your inputs, which are your project context, your work breakdown structure versus actual timelines, dependencies, and your resource assignments. And then your requested output would be a Gantt chart to show a visual timeline, a Burndown chart to track effort and progress, and then a PERT diagram to understand bottlenecks in dependencies. Here you want to be careful. If you throw all of this into a single AI prompt, you risk hallucination. It means that AI may drop tasks when you ask it too many things at once. Therefore, we will break it down into multiple prompts. This technique is called decomposition prompting, which helps AI focus on one task at a time. Now let's get to writing our prompt. Type the following example. You are an IT project manager managing a project to build a facility management system using a low-code platform. Then mention your project's key details. Of course, the more the merrier. Then you attach the project timeline Excel file and explain its content in the prompt. Then you say you want to use plotly graph objects. This is a Python library behind the scenes that AI uses to generate diagrams. Think of it like the Ghibli style trend and all similar variations to generate creative images, but this one creates charts and diagrams. Now you type the other constraints of the output, like the layout, the alignment, and visual enhancements, and so on. Don't worry if it's too long. I posted this entire prompt in the description so you can use it. Now let's check out the output. It generated an interactive HTML file that you can present to your stakeholders. You can hover over the bars to see task details. I told it to keep the planned timeline in blue and the actual in orange so I can visually see the slack. Look how these tasks started very late compared to the plan. Also scroll down to see the tasks that haven't started yet. This is a great visual, but keep in mind that you might not necessarily get satisfactory results from the first time, so you would need to go back to the prompt and request further modifications and enhancements. This technique is called chain of feedback. I discussed it in one of my videos. In my next video, I will go beyond timelines. I will show you how to generate a burned down chart to visualize team velocity, and the PERT diagram to understand bottlenecks in dependencies. Now you can use the techniques we learned today in generating your visuals with AI. Whether or not you have access to a fancy project management tool, using AI is a quick and smart way to get the visuals you need. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have feedback in the comments.